how to switch TikTok account from private to public. So let's see through this video. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. And let's get into the video. So right now I am at the homepage of TikTok, from where you will be able to explore to various TikTok videos. So in order to make your TikTok account from private to public, you need to go to Start in Profile Settings. For that, simply tap over your profile at the right bottom corner and tap over the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner and go for Settings and Privacy. And here simply go for Privacy on the account, and right now the private account option is turned on. So in order to turn it to public, simply toggle off this option and go for Switch. And with this simple tap, you'll be able to switch your TikTok account from private to public. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.